You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Canadian hockey player and captain. Jonathan Toews is how you say it. So you could spell it T-A-V-E-S. That's how he pronounces his name. Captain of the Chicago Blackhawks, Jonathan Toews is how you say it. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for your support, it helps me immensely. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.